Hello everyone, Marcus here from Elemental Living. This is a demonstration of doing some deep breathing with vibration on the exhale. So making a sound on the exhale, and so we have good body position is what's needed, of course. I'm sitting on a ball. These exercise balls are fantastic for sitting on, as well for flexing your spine backwards, flexing your spine the other way. We're always this way, we're always curving our spine forward. So to get on the ball and spread the other way is extremely good for us. Good for circulation, good for energy. I use the ball to flex my spine, and I combine that with some breathing. Sometimes I don't even do a breathing exercise in particular, but I do that. Flex on the ball. Now I'm sitting on the ball, and I'm going to do the breathing with a sound on the exhale. So as you know, breathing in to the belly, filling the lungs from the bottom up. So that's an exercise that people have to do to reestablish use of their lungs. A lot of people, when they sit for the first time and do an exercise, they can't actually do that because they're still just using the upper part here. So filling from the belly up, fill the lungs up, okay? So I'm going to take a deep breath now, and I'm going to start with one of the vowels. Now the vowels, different vowels have different qualities, have different vibration to them, different frequencies. So I'm going to start with the ah. So don't worry about the stability of the sound, don't worry about maintaining a note, and just stay on a frequency, stay on vibration. So I'm going to do another one. Now, another thing that you can do is you can start the sound with your lips sealed and contain the vibration. You'll get a whole bunch of sensations from that. And then when you're ready to, you open your lips and you let the sound out. And you'll feel the difference in flow. You'll feel the difference in energetic movement within you. It's very noticeable. So here I go. So, you might not want to do it in a room full of people. You will be noticed. But the frequency, that vibration, you're vibrating from the inside out. It's a massage. It's actually vibrating your insides. And we are frequency. We are vibration. Right down to the atomic level, everything that we're made of is frequency. It's hard to understand because it feels pretty solid. But when we get down to the subatomic level, it's all vibration and frequency, and we are affected by vibration and frequency. And when you make a sound like that, when you make the sound from the inside out in your exhale, you are literally dissolving emotional stress. You're dissolving stress energy. Dissolved emotions come out. Now that's happening when you're doing normal breathing exercises and you're doing a normal exhale. But when you add the vibration, when you add this frequency, you add a quality of cleansing to your breath. And when I say cleansing, I mean emotional cleansing. Okay? We're talking about dissolving emotion, dissolving stress energy. So I'm going to do one more. So you'll notice that for some people, they might think, oh, that's what I'm doing when I sing. And it's true. Singing is good. Singing is a fantastic way to vibrate the vocal cords, vibrate the center part of our body, and, release all kinds of, again, relaxing frequencies like that are numerous in a song and in music because you're varying everything. You've got a whole bunch. You can have meanings, definitions to the words. You've got all kinds of things going for you. But one of the things that I hear the most often from people, and it is surprising, they will say, I can't sing. People feel they can't sing. I have heard people say they can't sing, and they'll sing alone in the car when they're driving, and they'll sing. But so they're doing it. But when it comes to these breathing techniques, just go with the frequency and the sound that makes you feel good. Go with the sound that makes you feel good. Find it. Move around. Oh, yeah. If you ever listen to Tibetan monks chanting, you'll hear that major vibration happening. And in fact, I will post some Tibetan chanting where they have this very, very low voice that they chant with. It's very, very soothing stuff. So there you go. That's exhaling with vibration, exhaling with sound, and there's great benefits to that. It's one of the breathing techniques that I use all the time, and I wanted to share that here with you today. So breathe deep, my friends.